name is Miss Tina, and I work at the Deer Run Branch Library. Today, we're going to be doing art with toilet paper rolls. We're going to be creating some firework art. What you'll need to do is take a toilet paper roll, take your scissors with Mom and Dad, cut some lines in the bottom of the toilet paper roll like this. You can do big ones, small ones, you can do as many as you want, as little as you want. Once you're done all the way around, you want to take it and lift these up so they're displayed like this. So it's going to look like this. Take your paint, put it in your container. I'm using blue and green to make it really colorful and springy. Mix them all up. Take it over to your paper, smash it down, lift it up. And you've got yourself toilet paper fireworks.